In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI as your personal assistant. We're going to walk through a simple setup inside ClickUp that turns AI into a helpful helper for your reminders and daily task management. By the end, you'll have an automated daily summary that keeps you focused on what actually needs your attention. Start by opening your ClickUp workspace and heading to the list view for the specific project you want to work with. This could be a list where you keep your tasks, to-dos, or project items. Make sure you're in the correct workspace and list so the AI assistant is working with the right set of tasks. Once you're in that list, look for the AI or assistant-related highlight or banner in the interface. This is usually a visual cue that introduces the AI features connected to your tasks. Go ahead and click on that highlight. This is your entry point into setting up AI as your personal assistant. Next, you'll see options related to what the AI can help you with, like reminders, emails, meetings, and tasks. Think of this as the control center for offloading the work you don't want to manage manually. Click on the section that covers reminders, emails, meetings, and tasks. This is where you tell the AI, handle the busy work for me. From here, choose the option to have the AI remind you in your ClickUp direct messages. This means instead of sending things to your email or another platform, your reminders show up right where you already manage your work. Click on Remind Me in ClickUp DMs, so all your follow-ups and summaries stay in one place. Now, you'll see preferences for what you want to be reminded about. Select Just Task Due Dates. This keeps the reminders focused and avoids clutter. You're telling the AI, only notify me about actual due dates, not every minor update. Next, enable the Daily Summary option. This is where the assistant really becomes useful. A daily summary gives you a single, clear snapshot of what matters today, instead of constant notifications throughout the day. Set the summary to Send it at 8 a.m. and include only overdue plus due today. That way, every morning you get a concise list of anything you've missed and everything that's due now, helping you prioritize without feeling overwhelmed. Finally, choose the option to Ignore Lineup and just group by overdue and due today. This keeps your summary clean and focused, grouping tasks by urgency rather than by their position in any lineup or view. Once that's saved, your AI personal assistant is ready to go, delivering focused, actionable summaries right inside ClickUp.